and I've said this a lot, and sometimes I'm kind of mean about it, is that real estate agents are the worst at communicating a message, and they are the worst at marketing. Most real estate agents do is they make this mistake because they're not salesy in their marketing, and then they're salesy face to face.
Let's talk about what the audience actually needs to hear from us. Now, we break this into 3 categories. First category here is evidence of success. Tell me what that means.
Well, I think that's where people feel maybe embarrassed or too salesy to show off when you've closed a deal, right? You sold a listing and you send out a just sold postcard, or you post it on Facebook. So what do you have to communicate to them you have to communicate to them that you have knowledge of the industry, of the community, of transactional knowledge, those kind of things.
Let's put in our third category. We've got evidence of success. We've got evidence of knowledge. The third one is evidence of action. So, Sean, what's that one all about?
And this is especially important if you're brand new to real estate and you're trying to figure out how to get a foothold. Just continue to market and promote your actions, okay? Because if people see you working hard, they're going to know you're committed. And if they're committed, they'll trust you.
Yeah.